drop.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I have Danashi with me here,
Hi Divij, hi guys.
and we're gonna be showing you all how to make the perfect shisha. Now the things that you need for this is, by the way, many of y'all have been asking me in the comments and on my WhatsApp कि दिवेश तू how do you do it कि I put my flavor everything सब कुछ डाला but धुआं ही नहीं आ रहा यार, इतना dense आ रहा ही नहीं है. तो फिर I'll show you today how you can do it. You require your flavors whatever you want. Danashi, what do you want? We have kiwi blast and supari.
Well, I'll go with kiwi blast.
Pakka.
Yeah.
ठीक है, okay. Flavor, you need your flavor. Foil, of course you need your shisha. A chillam, this is known as a chillam. It's made of clay. And you need a pin. Okay guys, so the first step is taking your flavor. Now many people just take the flavor, they'll dump it in. And you see there are holes over here.
Yeah.
There are these holes over here. Through that, that's where your smoke goes from. So if you're gonna pack in your flavor inside, so it doesn't make sense. I mean, how will the
I know,
air
it
go?
blocks the smoke.
Yeah, it'll block it.
Okay.
So we're gonna make sure कि we do it in such a way कि we do it on the sides and we sprinkle it in such a way कि उसका volume बढ़ जाएगा.
Okay.
So with the higher volume, there'll be air spaces through which the smoke can go.
Yeah.
So okay. So we'll take about so much, not much, very little, and we'll just sprinkle it like that. We'll keep turning the chillam around
Yeah.
so that the volume stays a good fluffy thing. We're not gonna be smoking that much, so it's fine if you don't actually fill it to the top. It's all right, no problem. Just make sure that you don't pack it in because that's not gonna let your smoke go through. So you tapped it, na? Aisa?
Yeah.
So don't tap it.
Okay,
You don't
I'm not
want it to
supposed to
settle.
tap
You
it.
don't want it to
Okay.
settle down. If you tap it, then the smaller particles are gonna settle and they're
Settle,
gonna clog
yeah.
the holes. So you don't want it to settle.
Okay, is that how?
This is good enough. I mean, we're not going to be smoking that much today. So this is perfect. Good job. Right guys, now you're going to need your foil. So we have doubled up our foil over here, but it's okay. You can use single foil, no problem. If you have a thinner foil which is going to tear, so better you use a double foil. ठीक है Danashi, now you'll have to put it on top.
Okay.
ठीक है. So make sure there are no folds and no creases over there. जितना flat है, the flatter the better.
Okay.
So let's put it on. Perfect, perfect. Perfect. Now with the pin, we'll just make some holes.
Is it perfectly tight?
Yeah, looks good. Now just make a few holes. So what you would want to do is go in a spiral like that, how I went in a spiral.
Oh.
Not too many, not too less. Put some more, put some more. So guys, if you have some spare foil with you, it's better to always make a sort of a wall of foil around the thing. इससे क्या होता है, your coal will stay warmer and the air that goes into your chillam will be hotter than it would be otherwise. So you saw what I did? I just made
Yeah.
this. So this is what you want it to look like. Not bad, not bad. It looks good. Just shape it up from top and crumple this part onto your chillam so that it has a snug fit.
Yeah.
There's no leaks from here. Just make sure of that. And now that's it. The final step. You gotta put it on your shisha.
Oh wow.
Let's do it. Do it. I think करने का नहीं होता. He's like, oh wow. Perfect. Damn nice. ठीक है, तो now the last thing you need to do is just put some coal on top and you're ready to pull. So guys, now we have our shisha. So usually what people will do is you put the coal and then bus now 10 times I have to pull. And then धीरे धीरे मेरे को charge करना पड़ता है. तो a easier way to do this is just take a piece of foil.
Okay.
The idea is to cover the coal so that there is warmer air inside, which I'm going to pull. Okay, so just see now. This is my second rag, and it's already charged. Do you want to try it, Nanshi?
Yeah.
Go for yours. Yeah, it's already charged, I can see. So that's the trick. It's very simple to do. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching. I hope this makes it easier for you all at home making your own shisha. And I would like to tell you all ki if you all are ever in Andheri or Juhu, Ville Parle side, then you all have to come to this place called Riley's. It's an amazing shisha parlor. It's got pool, it's got food. It's a chilled place. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to press the subscribe button. It means a lot to me when you guys support me in these videos. And there are other videos of mine which show you how to make your own shisha. And in my next video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to blow shisha rings. Okay, that's like, there are 3 methods and they're very easy if you're not struggling with your rings. So I'm going to be showing you how to do that. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.
Bye bye, guys.
Don't forget to like.
Yeah.
And share the video.
Cut.